Tab to go to edit mode, then E to extrude, S for scale, then previous, I for insert, then extrude again, Control B for bevel, also Control B and scroll wheel up or down, so add more segments to it. While it, press P to add the profile of it, and you can change the parameters also to match your preference. Now you can press Alt S to scale through the normals like this. F to fill the holes. Press 1, 2 or 3 in the number board to select the edge, vertex and face. Shift D to duplicate. Select all. Ctrl J to join all the objects in one. Ctrl P and then by loose parts, so differentiate or separate all the objects from there. Origin centered, so all the origins are back to the center of the objects. Control plus comma to go to preference, dot to go to transform private option, and you can change the way you want to rotate your objects through the pivot. Shift C to center your cursor. Control and middle mouse button click and drag to zoom out and in. Holding Control, moving or transforming will snap the object, and pressing Shift, Control and then moving will precisely snap the object. Comma to get the gizmo tool or transform orientation tool. So from where you look, if I use view, so from where I am looking, it will create the X and Y axis. If I go global or local, so it will use the local X, Y and Z axis. O for the proportional editing, and scroll wheel up and down to adjust the surface level of that. You can change the variant also, and Control 1, 2 to add subdivisions and more. T to hide and unhide the tools menu. Shift Alt Z to hide and unhide overlays. Convert the text to the mesh by going convert to and mesh. You now in a mesh. If you want to clean up, go to clean up, then go to limited dissolve, and you will just get rid of that geometry. By merging, press M and you get the option, and like first, last, cursor, collapse also. So at last, which the last option we selected, and collapse, so it will collapse in a single vertex, all the individual objects. Now extrude, E to extrude the vertex now. Now go to the modifiers tab, add a skin modifier here to get this option. Now going to the edit mode, if you can't see, you can go to the wireframe mode by pressing Alt Z or going from above. Now pressing all the single vertex, you can press Ctrl A to adjust the thickness of the surface. Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision. Ctrl Shift P to add bevel to the vertex. Now if you add an armature, it will create an armature for the vertex you extrude and all the lines, and now you can do whatever you want. Okay, that's all for today guys. Let me know in the comments if you want something more in next time, so I will make sure to add those things, and let's see you in the next video.